Are you tired of pet hair, stubborn dust, and vacuums that just don't deliver the cleaning power you need? Whether you're cleaning carpets, hard floors, or dealing with pet hair every day, choosing the right upright vacuum can make all the difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best upright vacuum cleaners of 2026. We've carefully selected the best models based on suction power, cleaning performance, filtration, maneuverability, durability, and overall value. From powerful Shark vacuums and reliable Hoover models to budget-friendly options from Bissell and Eureka, there's a perfect vacuum on this list for every home and every budget. Make sure to watch until the end, because our number 1 pick delivers the best combination of power, versatility, and value, and it might be the perfect vacuum for your home. Let's get started. Number 5, let's kick off our countdown with an affordable powerhouse that delivers impressive cleaning performance without breaking the bank. The Eureka PowerSpeed Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner is built to make everyday cleaning faster and more efficient. Its lightweight design, powerful suction, and multi-surface capability make it ideal for cleaning carpets, hard floors, and pet hair with ease. Equipped with a pet turbo tool, this vacuum removes stubborn pet hair from furniture, stairs, and upholstery. The extra-large dust cup allows longer cleaning sessions, while its easy maneuverability makes cleaning around furniture effortless. Key features: heavy checkmark lightweight powerful design, heavy checkmark strong suction for carpet hard floors, heavy checkmark pet turbo tool included, heavy checkmark extra-large dust cup, heavy checkmark multi-surface cleaning, heavy checkmark easy maneuverability. Final verdict: if you're looking for a lightweight, powerful, and budget-friendly upright vacuum, the Eureka PowerSpeed is an excellent choice for everyday home cleaning. Number 4, moving on to number 4, we have a vacuum that's specially designed for pet owners who need powerful cleaning performance every day. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum combines powerful suction with innovative pet hair cleaning technology. Its triple-action brush roll effectively loosens, lifts, and removes embedded dirt and pet hair from carpets and upholstery. Thanks to swivel steering, navigating around furniture is smooth and effortless. The scatter-free technology also helps capture debris on hard floors without making a mess, while the large-capacity dirt tank means fewer trips to empty it. Key features: heavy checkmark triple-action brush roll, heavy checkmark swivel steering, heavy checkmark scatter-free technology, heavy checkmark powerful pet hair cleaning, heavy checkmark large-capacity dirt tank, heavy checkmark multi-surface performance. Final verdict: if pet hair is your biggest cleaning challenge, the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet offers excellent performance, convenience, and great value. Number 3, coming in at number 3 is a vacuum cleaner that combines deep cleaning performance with advanced filtration for a healthier home. The Hoover MaxLife Pro Pet Swivel Vacuum Cleaner delivers powerful suction using WindTunnel technology, lifting embedded dirt and debris from carpets while providing outstanding performance on hard floors. Its HEPA media filtration captures fine dust and allergens, helping improve indoor air quality. Combined with swivel steering and specialized pet tools, it's an excellent option for households with pets and high-traffic areas. Key features: heavy checkmark WindTunnel cleaning technology, heavy checkmark HEPA media filtration, heavy checkmark powerful multi-surface suction, heavy checkmark swivel steering, heavy checkmark pet cleaning tools included, heavy checkmark large-capacity dirt cup. Final verdict: if you're looking for deep cleaning performance, advanced filtration, and excellent pet hair removal, the Hoover MaxLife Pro Pet is a fantastic all-around vacuum. Number 2, our runner-up is a premium Shark vacuum built specifically for homes with pets and demanding cleaning needs. The Shark Navigator lift-away with self-cleaning brush roll delivers exceptional suction power while preventing hair wrap with its innovative self-cleaning brush roll. Its lift-away technology lets you detach the pod for effortless cleaning on stairs, upholstery, and above-floor surfaces. Featuring a sealed HEPA filtration system, swivel steering, and specialized pet tools, this vacuum is designed to handle everything from fine dust to stubborn pet hair with ease. Key features: heavy checkmark self-cleaning brush roll, heavy checkmark lift-away technology, heavy checkmark HEPA filtration system, heavy checkmark swivel steering, heavy checkmark pet crevice upholstery tools, heavy checkmark powerful multi-surface cleaning. Final verdict: if you want premium Shark performance with advanced pet hair technology, the Shark Navigator ZU503AMZ is an outstanding investment. Number 1, and finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is a vacuum cleaner that sets the gold standard for cleaning performance, versatility, and long-term reliability. The Shark Rotator Lift-Away NV501 delivers exceptional suction power, advanced filtration, and versatile cleaning in one premium package. Its lift-away technology allows you to clean stairs, furniture, ceilings, and other hard-to-reach areas with ease. Equipped with a sealed HEPA filtration system, LED headlights, swivel steering, and specialized cleaning tools, it effortlessly tackles carpets, hard floors, pet hair, dust, and allergens. Its combination of performance, durability, and versatility makes it one of the best upright vacuum cleaners available today. Key features: heavy checkmark lift-away technology, heavy checkmark powerful suction performance, heavy checkmark HEPA anti-allergen filtration, heavy checkmark LED headlights, heavy checkmark swivel steering, heavy checkmark pet hair multi-surface cleaning, heavy checkmark dusting brush, upholstery crevice tools. Final verdict: if you're looking for the ultimate upright vacuum that delivers powerful performance, premium features, and exceptional versatility, the Shark Rotator Lift-Away NV501 is our top recommendation for 2026. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best upright vacuum cleaners of 2026. Whether you're looking for a powerful vacuum to tackle pet hair, deep clean carpets, maintain spotless hard floors, or simply make everyday cleaning easier, there's a perfect option on this list for every home and every budget. From the affordable Eureka Power Speed and pet-friendly Bissell CleanView, to the high-performance Hoover MaxLife Pro Pet and Premium Shark models, each vacuum offers an excellent combination of cleaning power, convenience, and value. If you're looking for the best overall balance of suction power, versatility, advanced features, and long-term reliability, our number 1 pick stands out as the ultimate choice for 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect upright vacuum cleaner for your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Zyveron Tech Asif, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews, buying guides, and top 5 recommendations. Let us know in the comments which vacuum cleaner was your favorite, or if there's another model you think deserves a spot on this list. You'll find links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Thanks for watching Zyveron Tech Asif. Happy cleaning, and we'll see you in the next video.